Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn on Amazon by selling shoes. So to understand about it, we are going to read an article on oabs.com. So through this website we'll understand everything about selling shoes on Amazon. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. How to make money from selling shoes on Amazon. If there is one fashion item that both men and women adore, it has to be shoes. Who doesn't love a nice pair of shoes? They protect your feet, make walking easier, and complement your outfit. If you love shoes and you'd like to start an e-commerce business, you've probably thought about selling shoes on Amazon. Millions of buyers turn to Amazon for footwear, making it an excellent opportunity for you as a seller and a fellow lover of shoes. But that is not all. Amazon has made it very easy for beginners and complete new buyers to sell on the platform with its FBA program. This program allows you to focus on the more critical aspects of your business while Amazon handles shipping, customer service, and even returns. So, without further ado, let's find out how you can start selling shoes on Amazon. Sell shoes via Amazon FBA. So, what is Amazon FBA and how does it serve you as a seller? Amazon has two fulfillment methods: FBA fulfillment by Amazon and FBM fulfillment by merchant. Obviously, with FBM program, you must handle everything and handle shipping orders. FBA is the preferred method among most third-party sellers on Amazon because it leaves the packaging, shipping, and delivery to Amazon while freeing your precious time. As a result, you can focus on increasing sales and sourcing the best products. Here's a guide about starting an Amazon FBA business. First, you must do product research to find a suitable type of shoe and find a wholesaler that offers them. Buy in bulk and send your inventory to an Amazon fulfillment center. Your products will be stored there, and whenever a customer orders them, Amazon will pack and ship the order. This way, you won't need to worry about the mundane parts of being an Amazon seller and can focus on more important things like advertisement and making your listings as attractive as possible. Of course, Amazon FBA services are not free and the costs vary based on the size and weight of your product. You can find the company's list of FBA costs on the Amazon website. Why are shoes popular on Amazon? If you are still convinced about selling shoes on Amazon, if you are not still not convinced about selling shoes on Amazon, knowing more about why so many customers order them from this marketplace may help you decide. The main reason for the popularity of shoes on Amazon are availability and ease of ordering. Nowadays, you don't have to drive around the block searching for the perfect shoes. You can go on Amazon, look at thousands of available products, and order your favorite pair from the comfort of your home. Great customer service. Did you know that Amazon offers free shoe returns? That's right. If you get a pair that doesn't fit, you can return them and order another pair. This resolves an issue for many people who don't shop online for shoes because they fear they may not fit. As you can see, shoes are a great product to sell on Amazon because they have a vast target audience who love to shop online. If you can find a particular style of shoe that is a fan favorite or get into selling seasonal shoes, you can make tons of profits. Best types of shoes to sell on Amazon. Picking a shoe to sell from the millions of available products is not easy, and you can't just pick whatever you think looks nice. You must approach this strategically and rely on data when making important decisions. For starters, you can check out the Amazon bestsellers page to see which products generate more sales. For example, comfort is a big hit right now. After a quick look at the best sellers page, you'll find out the best selling shoes on Amazon are either croc style casual shoes or have memory foam. However, other important factors determine which type of shoe you should go for when selling shoes on Amazon. There are a few types of shoes that have sold well over the years. Seasonal trends, for example, in the winter, everyone needs boots to keep their feet warm. So fall and winter are the best times to sell boots on Amazon. The opposite of this is also true. People buy casual water shoes in the summer to keep their feet cool. So that's an option you can go for during spring and summer. Athletic shoes. We all love sneakers. Not only do they stand up to our favorite sports or exercise, but they also play a huge role in our outfits and overall fashion style. You can also sell sneakers on Amazon. Other than looking at Amazon's bestseller products, research tools can help you find the perfect products for selling on Amazon. You can also check data reports such as sales rank history to ensure you choose the right product. However, in addition to these, you must also consider the variation differences. So that was the article about selling shoes on Amazon. I hope you've understood everything about selling shoes on Amazon. So it's time to end this video.